discover the amazing health benefits of ginger, a natural remedy for various ailments. Ginger is your go-to solution for combating nausea and digestive issues. It's been trusted for centuries to alleviate motion sickness. Thanks to its anti-inflammatory properties, ginger can effectively reduce inflammation and pain. Surprisingly, ginger can also lower cholesterol levels, particularly bad cholesterol, LDL, promoting heart health. Boost your immune system with ginger's antioxidants, which fight off harmful bacteria and viruses. For cardiovascular health, ginger acts as a blood thinner, reducing the risk of blood clots and preventing strokes. It also prevents atherosclerosis, a condition where arteries thicken and harden, potentially leading to heart attacks and strokes. Incorporating ginger into your daily routine can help maintain healthy cholesterol levels and support overall heart health. Ginger aids respiratory health by preventing and treating infections. It even helps regulate menstrual cycles, essential for female reproductive health. Don't forget to like, share, and follow for more valuable health tips.